Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Hoare from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update, for April 25th, 2021. Hope everyone's enjoying their weekend. Let's take a quick look at how things finished off on Friday. We did see another substantial update, the Dow finishing higher by 227 points, right back near those all-time highs. The S&P 500 also higher by 45 points. There we go, a nice re-entry as well, right on that upsloping 20. The Nasdaq 100 gaining almost 200 points, 198.40 to be exact. And again, looking like it really wants to put in new all-time highs here. We're very, very close. We've got a lot of momentum behind that move as well. The Russell 2000 gaining 39 points on Friday. So, I don't think we're above that prior high. Let me see here. High was 2273, 2280. Well, actually, we surpassed that high. So that's a great bullish sign there for the Russell as well. If we look at crude oil on Friday, it was lower by 71 cents or 1.09%. And gold, let's have a look at gold. Gold was down by about $4.20 on Friday, while the dollar index here was also lower and looks like it's making a run for these lows near 90. So another test of that likely to come. If we brought in the scope here and look at the ETFs for the different sectors, starting with the materials fund here, you can see that we're near highs. We're pretty much there. Just a nice sustained trend there all around. If we look at communications sector, we're getting a re-entry, another bounce off that 20, and of course we're near the highs there as well. Energy still lagging, trying to regain that 20, but still below. The financials, beautiful new entry there, break to new all-time highs. That looks very strong. I would look for a continuation there. Industrial, same thing. Nice bounce here, right back at new all-time highs. The tech sector, same thing. Another re-entry here. Beautiful slope on the 20. So as you can see, aside from energy, everything not only looks bullish, looks very bullish. Here's consumer staples, same thing. Look at the slope on that 20 there. Real estate sector as well. Remember how quiet real estate sector was? And we said once it broke out, start looking for plays in that sector. And look at this move right now. Just a great look there as well. Utilities, same thing, looking pretty strong. Healthcare, same thing, off to the highs. Consumer discretionary stocks, exactly the same there. And retail, another new entry there as well. So again, aside from energy, everything looks extremely good here. If we look at the upcoming data points for this week, on Monday we get durable goods orders. Tuesday we get Redbook Home Price Index report as well. Wednesday we get the MBA mortgage apps number. We get wholesale inventories. We have retail inventories, and the big one there is the Fomc meeting and statement. So we get a decision on interest rates. Now, this will be interesting. Jerome Powell has been saying that he doesn't expect inflation to be a problem for now, and he doesn't expect to do anything with rates. And it's been pretty much the same with all other central banks around the world. But this past week in Canada, they did hint at potentially raising rates sooner than they expected. So they haven't done anything yet. They left rates alone, but they just changed the language in their statement a little. So it'll be interesting to hear from Jerome Powell if he's going to continue to say they have no plans at all to raise rates, or if they change the language slightly. Again, I don't expect much to come out of that. I don't expect a big impact on the markets, but you never know. Jerome Powell has has said a few things that have made the market move in the past. So we'll have to pay attention to that. Thursday, continuing jobless claims number. They have been dropping, so that's been good. Let's see if we can maintain that trend. GDP number as well, along with consumer spending and pending home sales report on Thursday. Friday, we get personal spending, we get Chicago PMI, and we get the consumer sentiment number as well, along with the U.S. Baker Hughes rig count. So a fairly busy week with economic data points. As you know, earnings are also well underway, and this week we get some pretty big ones from that tech sector, right? The likes of Apple and Amazon, etc., expected to report this week. So those are biggies. Let's keep an eye on those, as well as those data points and the FOMC decision on interest rates Wednesday afternoon. As always, we'll be having another live market chat. That's tomorrow, Monday, April 26th at 1 p.m. Eastern. I really hope to see you there, but until then, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see you on our next update.